How do I get started with the Ring app? Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this video. For this, firstly, open up your Play Store. To install your Ring application, you can just search for Ring app. Tap on the first suggestion, then tap on Install if you have not yet, or tap on Open if it's already installed in your device. Tap on Allow to grant them some of the permission. Firstly, create your account entering your first name, your last name, and the country you belong. You can search for your native country. Then enter email address. Tap on Continue. Set a password. For verification, you will receive a mail like this. Tap on Verify Now. Once verified, you'll be able to log in into your Ring. You can actually head back from here to your application where you'll be automatically logged in. For your verification, enter your phone number, with which you will receive an OTP code. Now, once you are verified, you have created your very own Ring app. Tap on Set up a device to add a device, whether it is your doorbell, door cam, or your car cams. Connect your camera to your Ring app. All you have to do is simply scan the QR code that is on your Ring product. Once you do this, all of your videos and the motions would be recorded in this application, where with a single tap you'll be able to check out your live stream of your location, that can be your home, car, or even your office. That has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.